This betrayal type of politics, we don't need it in Kenya, because we have got a certain region who now agitating for the betrayal of the president. We people from the Western Nyanza region, we stand with the president because we once said that he did not fit for the seat, and the people of the mountain came out and said he is a man of God, and it is very, very true. Then when now they are proclaiming that this government is not working, their own president came up with the Western bypass and made nothing to us. But let me go back to where I should be. Mr. President, we need to make some correction. I am a spokesperson of the trained P1 teachers who have not been employed in this country. And when things are messy, you have to say it, Mr. President. You need to do some correction in your leadership. We are requesting and we want to know between the TSC and the members of the parliament, the politicians who is employing teachers right now in this country. Because TSC are coming out and they advertise for the teachers to apply for those positions. At the same time, we find the politicians are also having other letters from the State House, Mr. President. And these letters, they all issue to their own people who are loyal and also their relatives. Meaning now they are practicing what we call nepotism. We don't want to go that direction, Mr. President. There is a certain region in this country, Mr. President, that they prolong. They are not being employed. They stay over 10 years for them to get job. Whereas other regions, you find them within after training 2 to 3 years they are being employed. We are in the same country, Mr. President. We need fairness. We need equality. So we are requesting for the affirmative action. For those who have stayed more than 8 years after training, they should be employed without looking in regardless of their regions where they are coming from. Otherwise, Mr. President, if you don't rectify that, be assured that this April, teachers will come anonymously outside to come and demonstrate to look for their rights, Mr. President. Because we cannot allow that. It will not be for the Gen Zs. It will be for the professionals, Mr. President. Otherwise, I raise my case. I request you parents, support teachers, because you are the ones who are taking your children at school, and they are in school. There are no teachers. When you want to take your child in a government school here in Nairobi, you must bribe. You must bribe. Meaning there is shortages of schools in this country, Mr. President. And we teachers will not allow to be mistreated in private institutions, Mr. President. Because on those private institutions, there is no guidelines, there is no protection of those teachers, Mr. President. They are being fired, Mr. President. They go without money during holidays. They are not being paid, Mr. President. And no one is for us. Not are silent. They don't advocate for the teachers who have not been employed. And when you go to the actually section, we are not nothing is being done to us. So if this is not done, we as teachers will mobilize, we'll go to the street, and we'll ensure that this country knows the corrupt dubious characters in this section of teaching professional. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Be blessed, Kenyans.
Na tumewaonyesha sisi ni watu wa kudeal na strategy. Venye Ruto ataenda kukuja kwa hizo kaunti zingine. Tumewaonyesha nyinyi msidiru na 200. Sasa ongezeni pesa, adiru na nyinyi vizuri. Ruto hakuna mahali anaenda bila pesa. Ruto amebeba pesa mingi sana, na tumesikia anaenda kaunti ya Kisumu. Nyinyi na nyinyi pigeni bei yenu vizuri. Si tulipiga ya 5,000, nyinyi pigeni ya 10. Ruto wako na pesa mingi na anakuja na pesa kwa magunia. Kwa hivyo watu wa mlima wamemuonyesha vizuri, lakini ikifika 2027 sisi hatuko na William. Tulionyesha Raila Odinga 2022, tukamuonyesha tuko na yeye, akatoa pesa. Bado hata Ruto kuja mwezi wa 8 bado ukuje na pesa. Sasa tutaongeza kitita cha pesa ikuwe 10. Ikifika December ni 15,000 kwa kutokeza watu, na mliona vile mabasi zilibeba watu. Hatukupigia president kelele, sababu president alikuwa amelipa vizuri. Tulikuwa tunapigia makelele MP hakuwa amelipa pesa yake. Women rep hakuwa amelipa pesa yake. Sasa akikuja siku ingine kwetu atakuwa ametulipa, na tulimuonyesha sisi bei yetu ni 5,000. Sawa sawa. Asanteni kwa hizo kaunti.